Hello friends, welcome to hairstyling section of my channel Jai Padmajaraj. Today let us review and compare two hairstyling products, Kriya Hair Straightening Brush and Iconic Slim Titanium Shine Flat Iron. Now let us go to the topic directly and compare both of them. One of the important things to do before you use hairstyling devices that work on heat is to use a heat protection spray. This protects the hair from getting damaged. Now let us section the hair before we straighten it. It has a digital display for showing temperature. It also has a power button for on and off and two buttons for increasing and decreasing temperature. The Iconic Flat Iron heats up within 10 seconds. To demonstrate the effectiveness of each of these devices, I will style one side of my hair with Iconic Flat Iron and the other side with Kriya Hair Straightener Brush. I have uploaded a separate video covering the Iconic Flat Iron. Please check out the description section for the link. I will take a section of hair one by one and straighten it. I will start from the back of hair and move towards the front. By doing this, the straightened hair will remain undisturbed. I am moving the straightener slowly through the hair so that straightening is good. Hair straightening with Iconic Flat Iron gives you a professional look and it makes hair look sleeker. It can last almost till you do your next hair wash. With just flat iron, you can do a lot of hair styling. You can also do hair curls without the need of hair color. Now I will use Kriya Hair Straightener on the other side of my hair. It also has a digital display for showing temperature. It also has a power button for on and off and two buttons for increasing and decreasing temperature. Both these devices have a maximum temperature setting of 230 degrees Celsius. The Kriya Hair Straightener takes 2 minutes to reach 230 degrees Celsius. Now the Kriya Hair Straightener has heated up and I am ready to use it to straighten my hair. Before straightening, you have to comb each section of your hair, otherwise that section of your hair will get pulled. Now slowly move the brush over the section of your hair so that straightening will be good. For people with thinner hair, the hair straightening brush is better since it won't compress the hair much compared to flat iron. Also from safety perspective, since the flat iron has plates, if any part of the skin touches the plates, there is a chance of burn injury. Whereas in brush, since it has bristles, there is no chance of skin burn. You can do hair straightening just as you comb your hair. Many marketing ads claim that in 4 minutes hair straightening can be done with the brush, but I have observed that it takes almost time as much as the flat iron takes. These are the main points to be kept in mind while purchasing. I have tried to compare both these devices based on my experience, so you can decide based on what I have explained. Now complete every section of your hair in the same manner. I personally like the flat iron more because it gives a look just like a professional salon can give. That's it friends. If you like this video, please share your likes and comments. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Jai Padmaja Raj. Thanks for watching.